listing with my assistant,
Paige Hackworth.
We are at 574 5th Street in Michigan Center. This is a main level condo that offers 2 bedrooms, 2 full baths that has been completely renovated. It has a stunning new kitchen. This master suite is very spacious with a lovely tile walk-in shower. Has closets throughout that are very, very large, a laundry room and attached garage. And we're here at this lovely updated patio where you can sit and relax and enjoy the day.
Or you can go across the street to enjoy a park and a lake.
Absolutely, it has a fantastic location. Not only does it offer those wonderful amenities, you can walk down the street to Los Tres Amigas and enjoy a bite to eat.
And you can go to DQ to have a yummy snack.
Absolutely. Allow us to show you through the home.
Come inside.